Captain Wilbur here with hobbycaptain.com. At hobbycaptain.com, you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at the factory. Something of a stunt plane. Fold the ailerons up and you get a glider. Fold the ailerons down, give it a toss backwards, and you get loops. Fold them opposite of each other, give them a toss, you can get spirals, spins, and dives. Well, let me show you how to fold this one. If this is your first paper airplane pattern from hobbycaptain.com, I would recommend that you go to the Getting Started page and follow along with the instructions found there. Well, let's take a quick look at this and see what we've got going on. So there are 10 total folds, and to walk through them all real quickly here, fold 1 is a crease, fold 2 is a fold, 3 is a fold, 4 is a fold, 5 is a reverse fold, 6 finishes the crease, 7 and 8 are reverse folds, 9 is a fold, and 10 forms the aileron. It can be folded in either direction, and it requires a little cut on the side. All right, let's get going. So for step 1, we'll fold the paper in half right along the line. Now, this being a crease means that the line is on the outside of the fold, and after making the fold, we'll unfold it. Now on to 2, and 2 is a fold, and that means that we want the line to be on the outside of the fold. And on this one, I think it's easier to do from the reverse side of the image. And the opposite side. Okay. And on to step 3. Okay, now step 4, again, I'm going to recommend going to this side. And the opposite side of 4. Okay, and step 5 is a reverse fold, and then we'll just fold this up to capture these other 2 folds in here. And 6 finishes the crease. So this time we're going to fold it and we're going to leave it folded. Now 7 and 8 form the wings, and those are reverse folds. My opinion here with these is it's easier to use a straight edge here to get the fold started at least. So just get the fold started using that straight edge. And then on the second fold here, I'm going to use the, just visually line up the 2 halves together. Okay, and then same thing with that straight edge on fold 8. Just use that straight edge to get it started. And again on this one, I'm going to just line up the opposite side to make the second fold. Okay, on to fold 9. It's right here, and so that's just folding the nose over. There's fold 9. last here is 10, and 10 is going to require a cut. Either side here. And you can fold these ailerons in either direction depending what you want to get the plane to do. Experiment around with it and see how it goes. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.